Okay, student, to covering the lab 2 for you. Okay, I already released the lab 2, and this video is going to cover the content for the lab 2. As you can see here, up to column number 3 is exactly the same as lab 1, so it means that you must following the others also the same. Okay, you must following the lab one simulation, step one. So you must having the correct lab one. In the next step, you must doing the overcurrent relay coordination. This is based on the fault given. For example, if your fault is at the bus 5 to 7, where is 5 to 7, which is here, okay, correct? The fault is here, okay? You must considering the way, as I mentioned, bus 5, 4, and then transformer. So you need to coordinate this relay, which is closest to fault, then this relay, okay? And then the same as example, this one and this one. This is the last relay for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, only and only. So no need to do it anymore. So for example, these students, which the line given is, let me change it. The line given is 4 to 6 by 80%. So 4 to 6 by 80%. So it's something look like here, correct? The fault is here. So for this purpose, okay, this is first relay, second relay, third relay, and the fourth one is here. Okay, next 6 to 9. Where is 6? 6 is here to 9. Okay, a fault by here. So for this fault, okay, these students with the fault at this line must coordinate this relay, then this one, and then this as a transformer. Okay, for the guy who the fault is at the bus 8 to 9, also this one, then this one, then this one, and this one. For the last person, last group, which the fault is here, so they must coordinate this relay with this relay and then this one and this one, correct? The discrimination time is given to you by here. So for each person is different, okay? The way you must do the coordination for the relay also mentioned. So you must go back to your slides using this formula and the standards given by here. So no need to use this graph anymore. Where is the graph? This one anymore for you. But the example for you is exactly the same as example 5.5. So how you must choose the relay, how you must choose the fault current, and then pick up current, everything must following the same step. Since I give you a more open hands, you can choosing different TSM, since here by this formula, by this one, if you're following this one, okay, and the given one for everybody is different, okay. No need to following the discrete, okay. So you have to justify your answer based on the selected one. So as you can see here, the pickup current is this one. T is a relay operating. uh, K is a time deal. So the time deal, the K, must be selected by yourself based on your understanding from this assignment. Okay, this is for the overcurrent relay. So I already cover overcurrent relay. You can start the first part of the assignment. For the second part of the assignment, which is the distance relay, I try my best as soon as possible cover it by the a video also. Before means of course I try my best before by Monday, coming Monday. So we have two regulatory. First regulatory zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3 is given how you should calculate, and regulatory the other one also in the same way. So as you can see, different students, different regulatory. So let me start again, explain this one. Oh no, I have to go back, Control A and delete. Oops. Control Z, Control Z, 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 Z. Okay, it's I think working. Okay. Then again, assume for the first person, we have this. Let me start with another person. to be a bit fair. Okay, assume we have a fault by the 4 to 6 80%. 4 to 6 80%. The fault, oops, the fault is here. Mm, the line size is not acceptable. Okay. The 4 to 6 is by here, correct? Okay. Then for our distance relay, how we should consider the distance relay location, it must be following exactly opposite of the overcurrent relay. So since for overcurrent relay, we're going from this one, then this one, okay, and then the transformer. For the distance relay, we cannot see the transformer at all. So our relays start by this one. Okay, this is the first and last relay. So the distance relay for this student is placed by here. Okay, and then zone one covering this line, zone two, of course, covering this one, and zone three is the challenge. Must covering this one or this one. Okay, based on the regulatory is a bit different. So again, for the next person who fault is by here, okay, you should go back to the transformer. So this is the relay, then again this one, correct? I think I did this one. Oh, sorry. So for whom the fault is at this point, means 6 to 9 or 9 to 6, no problem. So this is the first closest, and then this relay. So this is the distance relay you must choose and make the coordination. And then for this way, to the fault view, you have to do the coordination. So this is the zone one, maybe zone two, and here is zone three, or here is zone three. I'm not sure. You have to calculate based on your understanding from the assignment. And then for this line on the same way, I think, yeah, you get the point. Okay, let me change the color for this. Okay, assume we have a fault by here. So the relay close this one and then this one. So the chosen is this. Then this is the distance relay place distance. Okay, you should say that this is my distance relay. Zone one, zone two, maybe zone three, maybe zone, but yeah, maybe zone three, maybe zone three. Okay, one of these. We don't know, and based on the relay three. For this one, on the same idea, is coming as change the color to, I don't know which color is a good one. I think this one I prefer. Okay, one, then two. So the distance relay is placed by here. So you can see it's following the idea I will explain in the video. The DO I put is 29 November, week 12, I think is Saturday. And the deadline, which is effective one after that one, you have no chance to submit. I think I put it as a 30th November. Then the rubrics given to you for the distance relay and for overcurrent relay, you can follow and see how you should do. So not more than 10 pages, please. Maximum 10 pages. No need to give me any introduction. You can see there is no introduction. Just start to do the calculation. I need to find out the calculation. So a short paragraph for explain what did you done and how you approach this one is very important. Again, to insist for overcurrent relay, you can following, of course, example, especially this one. The other example also working, especially this one, but this one is using the graph. For you is equation, and you can calculate the load current. You know how to calculate the load current during the normal condition. Fault current for each point of the system. Of course, you can do by using the power word. So run that one. Show me what is the fault current at that point. For example, this point you can run, this point you can run, and ask what is the fault current, and then start to set on behalf of do the calculation the same as this one. You can see you can doing by power word. Then, of course, I need exactly the same as this table. You tell me what is the city selection. Then step four, what is the pickup currents, and then do the coordination exactly the same as here. Okay, that's all for the lab two. Thank you very much.